Have you ever wondered how to start a business without a dime to your name? What if I told you it's not only possible, but also within your reach? In this video, we're diving into creative business ideas you can start right now without needing any money up front. We'll explore the strategies, tools, and tips you need to turn your skills and passions into profitable ventures. So, if you're ready to break free from financial constraints and launch your dream business, keep watching. This is No Money, your go-to channel for financial wisdom and business insights. Number 1. Blogging. Can you write? Blogging can be more than just a hobby. It can be a lucrative business venture. Many successful bloggers started with zero investment, and you can too. To get started, choose a niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to set up a blog without any upfront costs. Customize your blog with a catchy yet simple template and start creating valuable content. To monetize your blog, consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products you believe in. You can also host sponsored content, sell digital products, or offer guest posts on other platforms to boost your income. Number 2. Web design. Designing websites is a skill in high demand, and it doesn't require a large financial investment to start. If you have an eye for design and some basic technical skills, you can begin offering web design services from the comfort of your home. Start by learning web design through free online resources or affordable courses. Once you have the basics down, find a niche to focus on, such as small businesses or personal brands. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your best work, and set up a professional website to attract clients. Create a memorable brand with a simple logo and a catchy tagline to stand out from the competition. Use social media to promote your services and connect with potential clients. To manage your business effectively, set up a suitable workspace, use cloud storage for backups, and employ a bookkeeping tool for professional invoicing. Number 3. App development. In today's digital world, app development is a thriving field with immense potential. If you're tech-savvy and have a knack for problem-solving, developing apps could be a lucrative business idea. Start by choosing whether to focus on Android or iOS apps. Enroll in free or affordable online courses to build your skills, and consider freelancing to gain experience. Before you begin development, conduct thorough market research to understand what problems your app will solve and who your competitors are. Decide on your app's monetization strategy. Will you charge for downloads, offer in-app purchases, or use a freemium model? Craft a robust marketing plan to promote your app and reach your target audience. With dedication and strategic planning, app development can become a profitable venture. Number 4. SEO Consultant. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a critical aspect of online success, and offering SEO consulting services can be a profitable business. As an SEO consultant, you'll help businesses improve their online visibility and rank higher on search engines. To start, develop a strong understanding of SEO techniques and tools. Build a portfolio showcasing your results and expertise. Establish a credible online presence by sharing your insights on platforms like Medium or through your blog. To manage your SEO consultancy effectively, ensure you stay updated with the latest SEO trends and algorithm changes. Use essential tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to monitor and optimize your clients' websites. By providing valuable SEO services and maintaining a strong client relationship, you can build a successful consulting business. Number 5. Affiliate marketing.
I am going to give you 3 reasons as to why affiliate marketing is the perfect source for an extra income. Number 1 being there is little to no investment. So you can do affiliate marketing with paid ways, but you can also do it organically, which means for free. I do highly recommend you invest into your education because affiliate marketing is not just about posting links everywhere. So if you are going to have an expense, that is an expense I would definitely recommend to have. Number 2 is because you can earn money passively, and what that means is you can be earning money while you are not actively working on the business. So you could be traveling to go on vacation, you could be sleeping, but affiliate marketing allows you to do that. And number three being there's such a wide range of products, services, so you will most likely find something that interests you because you want to make sure it is enjoyable to promote and to talk about if you're planning on making an income with it.
Affiliate marketing is a low-cost way to earn money online by promoting other people's products and earning commissions on sales. Start by choosing a niche and finding affiliate programs that align with your interests. You can promote products through a blog, social media, or a dedicated website. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to build trust with your audience and provide valuable content that encourages them to make purchases through your affiliate links. You can earn through different models such as pay per sale, pay per click, or pay per lead. This method allows you to generate passive income with minimal upfront investment and offers flexibility in choosing the products you promote. Number 6, podcasting.
You want to know where podcasters really make their money? I'll give you a hint. It's not from the advertising, so stay with me. When you host a podcast, you're constantly interviewing people who are smart, successful, and accomplished. You're building relationships with a ton of successful people. So the big money from having a podcast is from the business and investment opportunities that come from networking with people who are way smarter or way further ahead in business than you are. Sure, podcasters can make some decent money from advertising if you have big download numbers, but most podcasts don't. So instead, focus on networking with people who are already where you want to be and finding ways to get into business with them.
Podcasting has become a popular medium for content creation, offering a unique way to connect with an audience. With minimal equipment like a microphone and editing software, you can start your own podcast on topics you're passionate about. Choose a hosting platform to distribute your episodes and promote your podcast through social media and other channels. To monetize your podcast, consider options like creating membership tiers for exclusive content, joining advertising networks, or seeking sponsorships. You can also sell premium content or offer advertising slots to potential sponsors. By creating engaging and valuable content, you can build a loyal listener base and generate income from your podcast. Number 7, dropshipping.
Out of all the ways to make money online nowadays, is dropshipping actually worth it? As you guys know, I make 6 figures per month with my dropshipping stores, and that works out great for me, but is it the right business model for you? Let's look at some of the other business models out there. Obviously, there's the Amazon FBA, where you're going to need to buy your inventory in bulk. There's crypto, where you're going to need some initial funds to have to invest, right? And you have to overcome the risks. Very volatile market. Real estate makes the most millionaires, but you're going to need some funds and some experience, which is going to come with time. You're going to definitely need a mentor for that as well. When it comes to NFTs, we know 95% of those projects are scams. Contrary to popular belief, when it comes to dropshipping, I love it because you can start up fast. I can build a website in the next 24 hours. I can have immediate cash flow, and I don't need a huge marketing budget, which is what most people think. You can just advertise organically. But let me know your thoughts on this. Hit me up in my private group chat.
Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. This model allows you to start a business with minimal upfront investment. Focus on finding a niche market and building an attractive online store. Research suppliers carefully to ensure they offer quality products and reliable shipping. Market your dropshipping store effectively through social media and other online platforms. While dropshipping doesn't require significant financial investment, it does demand time and effort to manage customer service and handle competition. With the right strategies, dropshipping can be a profitable business model. Number 8, social media consultant. As a social media consultant, you help businesses build their online presence and engage with their audience. If you're skilled in social media marketing and know how to create compelling content, this could be a great business opportunity. Start by building a strong portfolio showcasing your social media successes and expertise. Create a professional website to attract clients and use social media platforms to promote your services. Offer your services on freelance platforms or volunteer for nonprofit organizations to gain experience. Networking and building relationships with potential clients can also help you grow your business. Providing excellent service and staying updated with social media trends will ensure your success as a social media consultant. Number 9, selling handcrafted goods. If you're creative and enjoy making things, selling handcrafted goods could be a profitable business idea. Start by developing a robust business plan and identifying which handcrafted products are in demand. You can sell items such as home decor, jewelry, or artwork through online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. Creating a well-designed e-commerce site will help you reach a broader audience and boost sales. Consider using platforms like WordPress with plugins like Docan to set up your own marketplace. With a focus on quality and effective marketing, selling handcrafted goods can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. Number 10. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to start a business with little to no money. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative, creative, or technical support to clients remotely. Begin by identifying the services you want to offer and creating a professional website to market your skills. Look for potential clients through online platforms and networking. Create a business plan and marketing strategy to attract clients. Essential skills for a virtual assistant include computer proficiency, communication skills, and quick decision-making. By offering reliable and efficient services, you can build a successful virtual assistant business and work from anywhere. By exploring these business ideas, you can find a path that suits your skills and interests while starting with minimal or no financial investment. Each option requires dedication and effort, but with the right approach, you can build a successful business without breaking the bank. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel No Money for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.